Disease mechanisms. Welcome to Serenity, Alzheimer's, and Dementia Research. Hi, I'm Alicia A. Reed, educator, CEO, owner of Serenity, Alzheimer's, and Dementia Training, LLC. Happy to be here with you today. It's May 18th, 2023. How are you today? I go live every Thursday with a new research topic in dementia. So always be checking the YouTube channel. Also subscribe, like, and share the YouTube channel. Also follow Serenity Alzheimer's LLC on Facebook, LinkedIn, and join the Facebook group Serenity Alzheimer's and Dementia Training LLC. We are here to give you a peace of mind about the different types of dementia, whether you're a caregiver or a family provider. Disease mechanisms. Understanding the underlying mechanisms of Alzheimer's is crucial for developing effective treatment. Very, very crucial. Researchers are right now studying the role of amyloid plaques, tau tangles, inflammation, and other factors that contribute to the progression of the disease. We really need to know more about Alzheimer's and how to diagnose it. So disease mechanisms are very, very important in diagnosing, is the point I'm trying to make. Understanding the mechanism of Alzheimer's is vital for several reasons. Here is what people really need to know. Number one, the role of amyloid plaques is one of the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease is the accumulation of amyloid beta protein in the brain. That is what dementia is. If someone has that in their brain, that's dementia. Again, accumulation of amyloid beta protein in the brain. That is Alzheimer's. That is dementia. It is leading to formation of plaques. Researchers are studying, again, right now, the formation and effects of the plaques to better understand their role in the disease. And this will help to develop an intervention to prevent or to remove them, which would be so amazing. Tau tangles, number two. Tau protein is involved in stabilizing the internal structure of the nerve cells, okay? Therefore, in Alzheimer's, abnormal tau proteins accumulate and form tangles, okay? So which disrupts the cell's transport systems and lead to the cell death. This is what causes someone to die from the disease, okay? So understanding the formation and the spread of tau tangles is crucial for developing therapies that target their abnormalities, okay? Inflammation is the third one. Inflammation in the brain is known as neuroinflammation, okay? This is associated with Alzheimer's disease. It involves the activation of immune cells and the release of inflammatory molecules, which can contribute to neuronal damage, excuse me. Researchers are now investigating the role of neuroinflammation and exploring anti-inflammatory strategies and potential treatments. So the other factors, which is number four, the Alzheimer's disease is complex and involves multiple factors beyond plaques. Tangles and inflammation, genetic factors such as variation in the APOE gene can influence a person's risk, okay? So genes does matter because the person can get a type of Alzheimer's from it being hereditary, okay? I myself have to be very careful because Alzheimer's runs on both sides of my family, okay? And I myself sometimes find myself having a little bit of trouble. So I try to figure out what's going on and why. What can I do um, if I get a little bit of brain fog, like I lose my track of thought? That's what brain fog is. I try to find ways to help myself remember sometimes. And as you can see, I do take notes. I do have a calendar to also help myself. Sometimes just being overloaded with work can cause issues, but there's many different ways to get a form of dementia. It doesn't have to be hereditary. It can come from brain injuries. It can come from some other type of health ailment, medications, trauma to the brain, alcohol, etc. So I just wanted to point that out. So as you see, getting diagnosed is very crucial because you need to know if you really do have dementia. So back on topic. So like I was saying, a gene is a factor. Okay, there are variations that would matter. So one of the big things is there are vascular factors. This is one that's major because the vascular dementia is one of the big ones, one of the main forms of dementia. And I've worked with vascular dementia a lot, even in my personal family. So this is a big, crucial one, which would come from mostly having stress on the brain, stress on the heart, high blood pressure, leading to strokes. That's all vascular. Okay. So once again, vascular factors, lifestyle factors such as diet and exercise is huge, and other environmental factors, like I was saying, that may also contribute to the development and the progression of the disease. Researchers are studying these factors to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the disease. Okay, very important. So I'm saying to you, because we all can do this, by studying the disease mechanisms, it would be a limit because it's a scientific thing. But studying these mechanisms, researchers aim to identify the targets for potential treatment. Developing effective therapies requires addressing the underlying causes and processes that lead to Alzheimer's, such as reducing the accumulation of amyloid plaques, preventing or reducing tangles, managing inflammation, and considering other relevant factors. It is important to note the whole significance. Thank you.